right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We are back outside. The Whipple S650 has been unleashed on the streets yet again. We're gonna pop out to a meet right now. I don't know if he's gonna be getting some runs in. You might get some runs in depending on what's there. There's like maybe 1 or 2 cars that are gonna be at this meet that we might be able to get a run in with, but we'll see. It's pretty hot out, there's a lot of cops, so we're gonna have to play this by ear. The location we're going to is pretty decent, but at the same time, it's better to be safe than sorry, so we're gonna make sure that we are not acting a fool with those hella cops. Which I think I've seen like 3 or 4 already on my side of town, and it's pretty quiet on my side of town, but around the holidays and like toward the weekends, the cops are out in force. So we're gonna head out. Whew. Yeah, we got enough gas.
Connected your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set.
I don't know what he's doing, but if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Probably gonna catch y'all when we get to the meet in all reality. Now, there's no denying times have changed and we live in an absolutely crazy world. You never know what the next person you meet is thinking and is trying to do. I mean, there's some sketchy people out there. Take a look at this. Somebody is walking up to my car now. Y'all see this shit? As a car enthusiast, one of the most important things is making sure myself and my ride is safe and secure. And happily, there's a company out there that believes the same as me, and that company is CarLock. Car theft is very real. Thousands of cars are stolen in the US every single day, 1 every 3 seconds, and it's very important that you are not part of that statistic and your car stays safe and secure. Now what we have here is a care package from CarLock. Everything you see is gonna be linked in the description. We have the actual CarLock device, which you connect into your OBD2 port. We also have the OBD2 extender, which you can use to further hide the CarLock device. Sometimes they are located in areas where it's difficult to go ahead and have this in a safe and secure spot. CarLock can send real-time notifications to your smartphone if the device is disconnected, vibrations detected, the vehicle is moved, or if the vehicle is turned on. You can also track your vehicle's location via the CarLock app, so you can always know where your vehicle is located. Now that's peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Get your CarLock today and you can use my exclusive code EARSPOV10 to save 10% off your next purchase. Protect your property and gain some peace of mind.
1 eternity later.
There's actually hella people here. I don't know where this guy thinks he's gonna park. Part in the back. You're trying to get this front row parking like we about to get that. That is not gonna happen. We going in the back, man. Ooh, boop, boop, boop. Almost stalled this car out. That would have been embarrassing. You're trying to get a front row parking spot. And you're gonna park between 2 trucks? Son, huh? He parking it between. Yeah, dude, good luck with that. I'm not doing that. Bro about to park his car between 2 trucks. I'm not even doing that. right, we're at the meet. Oh shit. BTR intake. E1X. I know he's not hooking up on those tires. It's actually pretty sick. On a bead lock. And this thing got a shoot. Damn. It's on a D1X too. Wait, hold on. Are they both facing? No. Okay, this one is facing this way, D1X. And this one is facing the other way. That's pretty sick. The different orientations. Both Chevy, but I think it's kind of cool how one is facing the opposite direction. What you think, man? Oh my god.
I got
What's
another one.
that's
I got a spare in the car.
I saw when I opened that glove box, I saw like 9 Zen canisters.
You said what?
I saw like 9 of those Zen canisters. That's a shame, dude.
9 where?
In your car.
There's not 9 in there.
There's a lot. Yeah, that's pretty badass. Yeah, the carbon fiber intake on here. That's sick. I don't know if it's been wrapped or what, but that's pretty sick. This car's on a well. New Edge. Got my car here. Another Camaro. This is pretty sick. Somebody getting at it. So we got Apexes in the front. I like the color match V-locks too. Weld in the back. I like that.
I love C7.
Yeah.
I love the white. You see the purple? You see it or not?
Where?
In the paint. I know.
It looks white.
Huh?
It looks white.
I know, but if you look at it, there's like purple in it.
I kind of see a little bit.
Can you even see purple?
A little
Or
bit.
is it like blue for you?
No, it's like red. It's like red oranges that are kind of hard. This dude got C5 wheels in the back. I like that. He's got C5 Z06 wheels in the back. We got some cars over here. Couple trucks on the gas. That shit is so popular, on the gas. That's just such a good slogan, on the gas. I need to come up with something. I got something in the works. Don't get it twisted. We got the merch coming out next year. I've been sleeping on it, but I got something for y'all, for real. Cause I like that, on the gas. Smart. Works for like trucks and cars. And technically bikes too, but I see a lot of trucks with on the gas racing. That's badass. Just create a good slogan and you get to go. Road pulled up in the Kia. It's actually kind of cold outside, I ain't gonna lie. It's like, I think it's like in the 50s or something like that. And it's crazy because it was literally like 90 degrees yesterday or something like that. Felt like 90. Whew. I don't know if people are gonna get active at this location. We're probably gonna have to move it. This spot be low-key kind of hot. And the route sucks. But if we get active, obviously, cut the vlog back on. Where did Brandon go?
What
Paxton car is moving. All right, y'all, we just ran this Paxton S550. It's moving. Little friendly fire here. We got another Pat built car. This car is fast. A little bit of a different setup on this car. You don't really see Paxton cars too much, but goes to show that, you know, it might be older, but they're definitely not obsolete. 2200 car, SL head unit, not the HD head unit. 3.1 pulley. This thing is fast. Very fast. Those smaller blowers, when you pulley them down, slightly overspin them, they can punch out. Because usually when I race other Century cars, I'll punch out because I'm in second gear doing a 60, but this car, it punches out. And if you can get that with a 10 speed, you're gonna be moving. You're gonna be moving. You already know it's gonna be fast because you know, I'm saying another Pat built car, but it's got the, oh shit, the 305 4517. That also is probably a reason why it punched out. I thought this was a 315/50 car. I know it's got 315 rear end gears, but it's a 28-inch tall tire. I thought that would have been a 30. It looked like a 30 for a second, but so that 3.1 28-inch tall tire, you can get that shit to hook. Ooh, you're gonna be moving for sure. For sure. Definitely a pretty fast car, I ain't gonna lie. The thing is moving. It's moving. The C7 that popped up. I do not think he's trying to run it. I definitely want to run this car at some point, but I don't know if he's running it today. Parachute on this shit. All right, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, man. Might be time to pulley down. Might put that 105 on the car very, very soon. Hopefully we're gonna get the car dynoed within the next couple of days. We're supposed to do it yesterday, but completely ran out of time. It is what it is. So if you guys enjoy, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.